Did you know that Mars is home to the tallest volcano in the solar system? Olympus Mons stands at a staggering 13.6 miles high, making it nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Mars also boasts the largest canyon in the solar system. Valles Marineris stretches over 2,500 miles long and reaches depths of up to 7 miles. The planet's red appearance is due to iron oxide, or rust, covering its surface. This gives Mars its iconic crimson hue. Mars has a thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide, making it inhospitable to human life. The average temperature on Mars is a frigid -80 degrees Fahrenheit, with temperatures sometimes dropping as low as -195 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite its harsh conditions, NASA and other space agencies continue to explore Mars in search of signs of past life and potential for future colonization. Water has been discovered on Mars in the form of ice deposits and possible underground reservoirs, raising hopes for the possibility of sustaining life on the planet. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are small and irregularly shaped. They are thought to be captured asteroids. Mars experiences dust storms that can engulf the entire planet and last for months. These storms can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. Mars is named after the Roman god of war, likely due to its reddish appearance resembling blood. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting facts about space and beyond.